Welcome to our Wellness Chats. We are here today with Sanjeev Kumar to talk about the importance of meditation in our daily lives. Sanjeev, welcome. How are you doing?
Yeah, I'm doing good. How are you?
I'm doing very well, thank you. Sanjeev, so let us kick it off, first of all, by asking you, how can meditation change our lives? We've heard about meditation, especially now, I think, throughout this pandemic, it has gained so much attention. But as an expert, please talk to us about how is meditation able to change our lives?
Yeah, meditation is a way of life, I can say. The first thing, whatever we do, you know, think, act, So meditation is based on it. Even if I'm sharing my talk at this moment, I need to be alert, aware, and conscious of whatsoever words I'm sharing with you.
Mhm.
Then it will make a great transformation into our life. Your question is very particular, like how does it help us to change our life? Most of the people are busy, and occupied in activity of daily living. They are living in the superficial world, where they are much more connected with the mind, ego, too many useless and unwanted thought of desire, therefore they are not able to move inside, where there is a center of being, where there is a love, forgiveness, kindness, compassion, you know is already there. So as soon as we connect at the center of being, where there is a light, where there is a love, so the more we connect with the help of meditation practice at the center of being, you will notice that everything keep on changing itself, when you are getting more alert, more awakened, you started looking the things at different level, you will be totally different from what you have been when you are living on the superficial world. So, and meditation is a way of life, as I said. Whatever we do, even I am driving my car, I have to meditate, I have to be slow, relax, deep down, and bring my awareness to the breath, So as soon as I come to the breath, what will happen? We will be connecting with the life force energy, And when you connect with the life force energy, you will be living from moment to moment. You will be living into the present moment awareness. And what will happen? You will see you are getting more mindful, you are getting more meditative. In activity of daily living of whatsoever work you are doing, even I am preparing sandwich, just for example, I am I should be alert, aware, and mindful of each and every activity. Just for example, as I said, when I make a sandwich, I have to cut with the bread, I have to cut not the bread, I have to cut the vegetables, I have to put in the bread, So, what we have to do, we have to be aware, alert, each and every activity, We should not be hurry, We should not be lost into the thought of the past or the future. And when we lost into the thought of the past or the future, what will happen? Maybe with the help of the knife, we can cut our finger. Why? Because we are not living there.
Mm.
Therefore, the problems are happening in activity of daily living. People are much more living into the thought of the anxiety, worry, and they are living into the thought of the dream, ambition, goal, So
Right,
therefore, they are missing this beautiful present moment awareness. So
right.
the more we aware, the more we are mindful, the better it can change our life. So that's what I can say. Yeah.
No, that is really well said, Sanjeev. And I read somewhere that present it's called present time. It's called present because it's a gift.
Yeah. Yeah.
Past and future, it's nothing, but you're so right that we are so consumed by anxiety and worry and all the other things. Our mind is always preoccupied with so many things. And what I heard you say, that we have to bring awareness in our daily lives to be able to live from from a life of fulfillment with love and joy. Now, with that in mind, and in light of the current pandemic, how are we able to transcend fear and anxiety with meditation?
It is a pandemic time, you can see there's a lockdown outside, people are losing the job, people are losing their houses, so therefore they are much more scared, like what will happen in the future, so during the pandemic time, in order to transcend our anxiety, fear, stress, we have to do meditation practice, which is very important. Even we have to go inside our house and do the breathing exercise, which is very powerful tools. How we have to do the breathing exercise, we have to close our mind, we have to close our eyes and bring our awareness to the breath. So as soon as we bring our awareness or connect our awareness to the breath, what will happen, we are getting disconnected from the thought of anxiety, from thought of fear, as we discuss, from where the thought of anxiety, fear is coming by living into the thought of the past or the future. But this is the divine moment which exists right now, the way I am present physically, mentally, spiritually, emotionally at this moment. So why can't we celebrate this beautiful present moment awareness? However, we have to live into the thought of the past or the future. But the more we connect with this beautiful, awesome, divine moment, even we can take control of the past or the future. But people are living with the mind, and mind is full of doubt, confusion, worry, anxiety, So as soon as we come and bring our awareness to the breath, as soon as we connect with our heart, what will happen, we can focus, aware and mindful of whatsoever work we are doing. So as I said, the first way is to do meditation practice with the breathing meditation. The another thing we can do, we can recharge our battery. Sometimes we have to go to the nature, we have to connect with the water, ocean, mountain, we have to connect with the fresh, powerful, highly vibrational energy. Why? Because it is full of oxygen, right? So the more we take the oxygen inside, it will declutter all kind of the useless and unwanted thought of the past, thought of the future, and it will connect with the creation, it will connect with the flow of existence, so as soon as you connect with the flow of the existence or the power of creation, what will happen, automatically you will notice all kinds of the useless and unwanted thought of the fear, anxiety keep on dissolving itself.